Hello everybody, today we are going to visit a Swan 42, so you will see this boat has a lot of potentials. I would like to thank Easy Sail in Marseille to sending me the videos of the boat. Don't hesitate to visit their website, there are a lot of lovely sailboats for sale. Everything is in the description. So let's start the visit. The Swan 42 sailboat is a cruising boat built by Nautor's Swan shipyard in Finland. This sailboat is a 12.8 meters long with a maximum draft of 2.4 meters. The production started in 1980 and ended in 1985. 38 examples of the boat were produced. This sailboat has a very marine look and very neat design. The major part of the deck is supplied with teak, which makes the boat very pretty and more aesthetic. The teak deck has been completely redone in Burmese teak wood. The onshore. So as you can see, the deck is very clear, which facilitates maneuvers on board. The aft cabin with two single beds, which is a very great combination for charter. So this is the corner kitchen that I find very well placed. A very cute kitchen. A lot of compartments, of course. So this boat scores a point because I don't know if you noticed, but a berth is located on each side of the sofa, which I find is incredibly convenient. I would like to point out that the wood on this boat is very nice, which really gives a warm interior. So this is the front bunk, which is slightly elevated. A window is included, which gives a touch of brightness. The interior is very large and very practical. Everything is spacious and friendly, so you can relax after a long day sailing. So this is the chart desk, the electrical panel, so the bathroom, which is furnished with a lot of wood. This is very pretty to have a lot of wood in the bathroom. So as you can see, there is a very good luminosity from the helm, which is a very important point. All elements are operational. So this boat is a very safe and very marine sailboat. Moreover, this boat is very efficient and will satisfy every amateur of regatta. This boat can accommodate 8 people thanks to its 8 berth, which is very practical. For me, this boat is a good investment, so don't hesitate if you're interested. This boat is for sale by Easy Sail. Don't hesitate to contact them, everything is in the description. Thank you for watching and see you for the next video. Bye.